What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here. In today's video we're doing a little bit more work on this B16, seeing kind of how far we can get in the garage today, really busting out these videos. My next step, you see Gideon's over here torquing down the windage tray, and I'm about to install this Moroso oil pan and this MyHondaHabit oil pan gasket. Apparently they're better than OEM, and they use all studs and new hardware. So I've always had problems with these gaskets leaking, especially on turbocharged engines. They like to blow up the side and really ruin your day. So we're gonna see if we can prevent that. We're also gonna put in our oil pickup gasket, and then kind of see how the day goes.
We're hopefully gonna tighten up.
Fuck. So this is the oil pan from Moroso. It's kind of sweet because it's got a bung hole for your turbo oil drain line, but it's also got another bung hole on the other side if you want to run an oil temperature gauge. So that's pretty slick. I do have a new water pump and tensioner we can put on today.
Do it.
Alright.
No point in waiting.
Today we're going to be installing a brand new water pump and a brand new tensioner assembly on this B16 motor. These are things you usually want to do when you're putting a new timing belt on. And guess what? That's what we're going to do soon. So time to get at it. So grab your 10mm and your 14mm socket, some RTV, and if you got one, an impact and some cleaning supplies.
Push it to the limit. No one left to
it, good as new. We're ready to move on to the next step, and probably putting the head on, yeah. So gross! We'll catch you next time. Thanks again for tuning in to Crafting Cars. Happy Friday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Tell your friends.
Bye-bye.